So we got a Kubota 80 and we're putting our wire harness in it. I added this button in right here. I drilled a little bigger than a 1/2-inch hole. This all pops off of these 3 screws. And then I just had to fish the wire down through the tube. And I couldn't get it to go all the way, so I just come out the side and then I fed it through there. Then I run it to this plug-in and I come off that plug-in with my other wire and I looped it down around through and I put it right here where this orange stuff is. Then you can feed it down and across and you can get right to the back side of the valve bank and then up to the battery. I pulled this off, which I really didn't need to do, so I put that back on. But this was rubbed through, so I fixed that while I was in there. So yeah, I'll get more videos to follow. Okay, so when you come out of the floor pan, your wire is gonna fish down right around through there. It's pretty easy to get to, and it doesn't look very easy, but it's not bad. Then you're gonna fish your wires up across, and then I hook my power to the battery and my ground. This is where they have ground at, so I hook it over there. Then I come out of that hose right there and I feed it around through the swivel so it's good and guarded. And then I fish it down along the top, and then I pick it up back in the hose right there. This is where it bends the most, so it's a good idea to just put it in that stuff so it doesn't get flexed up. And then this customer has a thumb, so I put on the 3-way ball valve so you can turn on this quick coupler or turn it and turn the thumb on. So when they're not using the grapple saw. Then on this side over here, we did the same thing. And then we mounted the K-strain. The K-strain just goes right back along, same way you do the electrical. Down through the swivel, you see it right there. Comes out right there, and it hooks right into the top of the tank. So, and then when you're adjusting your pressures, if you look for this one with the hammer valve on it, this is how you turn it into hammer mode. You adjust your pressures here and then on the opposite side. That's your high flow circuit. This is your low flow circuit, the 3rd one in from the end. This is the one that does your thumb. I typically set this one at 2500 for the rotate, and then I set this one at 4000 for the grapple, and then that one also runs the saw when you push the button. I'll get some more videos when it's outside running, but okay.